Want spotless floors without the elbow grease? Add these clever cleaners to your kit. A steam mop, carpet cleaner, or for a really big clean, a steam cleaner. First, steam mops. Think of these like a standard mop, minus the messy bucket and chemicals. Steam sanitizes floors and rapidly loosens dirt so you don't have to scrub. And it's quick drying, so you can walk on hard floors sooner. Want to turn 2 jobs into one? Find a model that vacuums and mops. Now that's a time saver. Got carpets? You need a carpet cleaner. These use pressurised hot water and strong suction to remove built-up grime. Add stain remover for stubborn spots. The result? Good as new carpets, rugs and upholstery. Spilt wine? No worries. Whip out a compact cordless model for any time spot cleans. You can even do the car seats. Keen for a chemical-free whole house clean? Try a steam cleaner. These blast water vapour through a nozzle, brush or attachment. Make bathroom screens sparkle, degrease the rain should, and even remove odours from pet beds. Opt for a handheld model for smaller jobs. Or for fewer refills, go big with a barrel-style cleaner on wheels. So what will it be? The good guys are here to help. Visit us in-store or online.